I'ma do it like I ain't been done. I'ma do it like I ain't been done.
Alright, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel again and again and again and again and again. So today I'm showing you guys my deep conditioning routine, but with a twist. So you can pretty much deep condition with any regular deep conditioner. It doesn't necessarily have to be designed for deep conditioning, y'all. And so this time I'm using Bounce Curls cream conditioner that I normally use in the shower, but this time instead of rinsing it out, I'm gonna use it as my deep conditioner, and y'all are gonna see. So this is freshly washed hair, and I'm gonna go ahead and part it as you see here and get some sections out of the way. I like to do 2 sections on each side in half, and then cut the section again in half. So yeah, so as I said, I'm using Bounce Curl cream conditioner. So everything about this conditioner will be on the screen throughout the video, the details, what it uses, the ingredients, and all that jazz. So I'm just running it through my hair. As you can see, the slip is bomb. I'm finger detangling as usual because I always finger detangle. If y'all don't know that, then there you go. So I'm showing you guys how easy it is to go through my ends and how it's clumping my curls together, which is pretty bomb. My curls look moisturized, and it's, yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm doing all this in real time. The back of my hair is so long, can't even fit in the frame. But I'm going to be finger detangling, as I said, going gentle, working my way from the bottom to my roots, making sure I really get at my roots in the back, because the back of your hair is like the part of your hair that people tend to not care for as much or give the same TLC to as the front of your hair. And I've had that problem like my whole natural hair journey. So something I try to focus on when I'm doing this step. Now, the reason I take so long to deep condition is because I said it's like, oh my gosh. The reason I take so long is because detangling in this stage is so much easier, so much safer than it is with a gel, a leave-in conditioner, anything like that. Granted, you can do it that way if you want to. I like to get this step out of the way earlier because it takes the longest. So once I am done detangling this, I'll put it in a twist and get it out the way. And when I go to rinse out my hair, after leaving this in for at least 30 minutes, I normally go for hours, but I never go below 30 minutes. After that, I will rinse out my hair in the twist. I'll leave them in the twist and just rinse it like that because I like to keep some of the deep conditioner in my hair still as I go forward with my wash and go. So yeah, this just gets that all out of the way. The detangling process is gone. So when I go to do my wash and go with my gel and stuff, everything's already detangled and I can just move on and go through the part that would take the longest, which is the wash and go part, so much faster, y'all. Like, it takes me like an hour to do my wash and go when it used to take me about 4. So this is a lot easier. And yeah, so I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and watch the rest of this video. It's just gonna be a sped up version. So when I get out the shower, just let you guys know, I do blot my hair with a microfiber towel so that I can go in and do my wash and go. If you guys want to see my wash and go routine, I already have one up, so go ahead and link the card up in the corner or link down below, or just go on my channel because I have many of them. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like I said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Be sure to check out Bounce Curl, okay, on Instagram, all social media, and everything like that. So yeah, bye.
ain't been done. I'ma do it like I ain't been done.